Hello and welcome to today's science lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our laps and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we can begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then let's go down low. Touch our toes. And now back up high one more time. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave. Excellent. And then back down to touch your toes once more. And then, guys, hands on hips. And let's have a wiggle side to side. Wiggle side to side. Stop. And then another wiggle side to side. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And then let's go round and round. Round and round. Give our spines a nice stretch. And stop. And then we can go back the other way. Round and round the other way. Round and round and round. And stop. And now let's have a shake. Arms and legs, shake it out. Shake it out. And to finish, we will do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So recently, we've begun learning about a new topic. Can anybody remember the name of the topic? Matter. Excellent. Well done. Matter is spelled M-A-T-T-E-R. All together, guys, matter. Yes. And what is matter? Remember when we began learning, we asked ourselves the question, what is matter? And the simple answer is, excellent, Prau, matter is everything. Everything around us has matter. And one of the most important factors about matter is that it takes up space. S-P-A-C-E. For example, we are made of matter. And we take up space. The area where we are, such as me standing here, or my students sitting down, that is the space that they take up. And recently, we learned how to measure matter. And there were 2 different ways that we can measure matter. The first one was involving a weight machine, or a set of scales. Can anybody remember what we weighed with the scales, guys? What type of thing about matter? Excellent. We learnt about mass. Matter has mass. And matter is weighed using scales such as a lever scale, a balance scale, or an electronic scale. So mass is one of the ways in which we take up space. But then remember, we also did the experiment where we dropped things in water. Now, what was that called? Volume, yes. As well as having mass, matter also has volume. And the experiments we did by dropping things into the water and reading the water level change told us the amount of volume. V-O-L-U-M-E. So all matter, guys, takes up space. And we can weigh it or measure it by you looking at its mass and volume. Okay, these are the three main indicators of matter. Anything that takes up space and can be measured by mass or volume. And what we've also learnt about is that there are three different types of matter. Can anybody remember? We have three different types, such as this pen. What is this pen? Solid, yes. This pen is a solid, and solid is one type of matter. O-L-I-D. But if it's not solid, if it's something we can touch that gets wet, yes, something we can touch but we get wet is known as liquid, yes. L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. And the third and final type of matter, which we can't see and we can't touch, gas. Excellent, down. Gas. G-A-S. So altogether we've got solids, liquids, and gas. Now there is a particular name for these three types of categories. They are known as three states of matter. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Solid, liquid, gas. They are what's known as three, T-H-R-E-E, states. S-T-A-T-E-S of matter. These are the three different states of matter. So one more time, all together, guys. Solid, liquid, and gas are the three states of matter. That was brilliant, guys. Very well remembered. And in today's lesson, we're going to be examining the three states of matter. We've heard about them already, but today we're going to learn a little bit more. And then we've got some activities for our students to understand and recognize different things in the different states of matter. So first thing today is we've got a PowerPoint presentation for our students to observe, listen to, and also practice speaking about the three states of matter. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, please, guys. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can learn about the three different states of matter. We know the terms already, solids, liquids, and gas, but it's important for our students to understand the difference between the three. And later, we've got a game and an exercise where our students have to decide for themselves what categories each thing belongs to. But first of all, guys, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. For this sequence, we'll begin with some rotations. We'll go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, guys. Now we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And next we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, guys. Now let's have a shake. Arms and legs, shake it out. Shake it out again. And next we'll take our right hand and we'll find our left foot. And then we'll take our left hand and we'll find our right foot. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. Let's have a shake again, guys. 1, 2, 3. And to finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So now it's time for our flashcards exercise, where our students will decide between the 3 states of matter. So one more time, guys. What are our 3 states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. So let's write them 3 words on the board first to form 3 columns. How do I spell solids, guys? S-O-L-I-D. Excellent. Solid. And then, if solid melts, it becomes liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D. Excellent. Very well done. And then, if solid gets hot, it becomes gas. G-A-S. G-A-S. So now we have our 3 columns on the board. Solid, liquid, and gas. Teachers, for this activity, what you'll need to do is print off the flash sheets for today's lesson. And on them are different things that represent either solid, liquid, or gas. What we'll do is we'll give each student a flashcard once by one, and then they have to come forward, decide which category each of the pictures belongs to, and also write the name of the thing on their flashcard. So we'll go first with our first student. Let's see who it is. Okay, so our first student today will be Pak Bung. Pak Bung, come and join me at the front of class, please. Okay, and now show this to your friend. What can we see? Coffee. Yes, notice we're concentrating on the substance inside the glass. So Pak Bung, what do you think coffee is? Liquid. Yes, we drink coffee. Or I drink coffee anyway. I don't know about my students. And then I will ask Pak Bung if she can write the word coffee underneath. C-O-F-F-E-E. And we can say together, coffee is a liquid. And that's what we mean by state of matter. Pak Bung, that was brilliant. High five. Big round of applause for Pak Bung, please, guys. So teachers, you can see the activity that we're doing in our classroom now. You can pause your video and play on with your students for the next 15 minutes or so. And remember to use a different student for each flashcard. And at the end, when they've written and placed the flashcard correctly, have the entire class speaking. So we'll go next. Let's see who can be next, guys. And now it's time for our worksheet activity part of the lesson. So teachers, make sure each student in your classroom gets their own worksheet. And it looks like this today, because what we've got are the 3 categories for the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And what we want our students to do is demonstrate their understanding by writing 5 different things for each of the categories. So guys, that's 15 in total. I want you to write 5 solids, 5 liquids, and 5 gases. And encourage your students to think by themselves. Have a look around the classroom. But if you can't think, we have some examples on the boards already. And teachers just monitor the classroom and help students with anything they need, like spellings. So give them around 15 minutes for this activity, because we're asking them to think of 15 different things. And just as I say, monitor the class and help them with anything they need. But what's the first thing to do, guys? Names on top. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to sort different things that they can think of into the 3 different states of matter: solids, liquids, or gases. And I asked for 5 of each category, but my students did brilliantly. Some of them give me 7, 8, 9 different things for each category. So well done, guys, that was excellent. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson and found it interesting and now understand about the 3 different states or types of matter: solids, liquids, and gas. And everything on planet Earth is made up of these 3 things. So we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. Can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.